Hey everyone, so I've been using the Google AI Studio Stream Real-Time feature recently, and it's pretty incredible. It's multimodal, which means I can understand and respond to information from different sources, including my screen and my camera, and that's what I'm going to focus on today. So in this video, I'm going to share my webcam, and I'm going to get the AI to describe me. I'm also going to show it some random objects around my room and get it to describe those as well. I'm then going to share my screen, and I'm going to get it to translate some Irish text into English. I'm going to get some help with Google formulas, and then I'm going to get some marketing ideas, all directly by sharing my screen. So check it out. Okay, let's jump straight in. So you're going to go to Google AI Studio, click Stream Real Time, and then go Show Gemini. Hey Gemini.
Okay, I hear you. It sounds like you said, hey, how's it going? Is there anything specific you would like to talk about?
Yeah, can you see my webcam?
Yes, I can see your webcam. You are wearing headphones and a dark tank top and have a microphone in front of you. Is there anything else you'd like to share or ask?
Yeah, I'm going to show you some objects and I want you to tell me what they are.
Okay, I understand. I'm ready when you are. Please show me the objects.
I'm holding the first one, Gemini.
Okay, I see that you're holding a pen. It looks like a clear ballpoint pen. Would you like me to describe it in any more detail?
No, that's all good. And then the next object I'm holding.
Okay, I see the object. It appears to be a tube of lip balm with blue, white, and red colors on the packaging.
Very good. Okay. Next up. Can you see what I'm holding?
Yes, I can see that you're holding a black athletic shoe with a white Nike swoosh logo.
Awesome. And then next one. Can you tell me what this is?
Yes, that appears to be a white boxing glove. It looks like it has the Everlast logo on it. Is there anything else you'd like to show me?
Final one for now, Gemini. Describe what I'm wearing now.
Okay, I see that you're now wearing sunglasses. You're also still wearing your headphones, a tank top, and 2 necklaces. Is there anything else you would like to discuss?
That's all for now. Thanks, Gemini. I'm going to show you a couple of maths problems and I want you to tell me the answers.
Okay, the person in the video says that they are going to show you a couple of math problems and want you to tell them the answers. Would you like me to help you with that?
Yeah, I'm showing you the first one now on my webcam.
Okay, the first math problem shown in the video is 80 times 93. Do you want me to help you solve it?
Yeah, what's the answer, please?
Okay, 80 multiplied by 93 is 7,440. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yeah, let's move on to the next one.
Do you want me to continue to help you with the next math problem?
Yeah, I'm showing you it on the webcam.
Okay, the second math problem shown in the video is a triangle with 2 sides labeled 41 and 32, and the hypotenuse is labeled x. Do you want me to solve for x?
Yes, please.
Okay, using the Pythagorean theorem, we can find the hypotenuse x. The square root of 41 squared plus 32 squared equals approximately 52.08. So the answer is approximately 52.08. Would you like to try another one?
That's all for now. Thank you. Okay, so next up I'm going to share my screen. So again, stream real time, share your screen. Choose the right screen, and let's get Gemini to help me with a couple of problems here. Hey Gemini.
Okay, you want some help with... Yes, how can I help you?
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, so there's a sentence there that I'd like you to translate. Can you help with that? So I'm highlighting it on the dock.
Okay, the highlighted text says, is Miss Stephen Agus is as iron me. I'm emotionai I Sydney. Senastrale is 9 umbliana. Is maith liam abhar, akrutu fawe lidiana, I do those thiwari. In English that translates to, I am Stephen and I am from Ireland. I live in Sydney, Australia for 9 years. I like to create content about AI for beginners.
Perfect, Gemini. Your pronunciation wasn't great for the Irish, but that's perfect. Thank you. Okay, let's move on. So I've changed my screen again. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see the new screen. It is a spreadsheet with 2 columns, labeled AUD and USD. There are some numbers listed under each column.
Yeah. Okay, so in the section I'm in now, I want to convert AUD to USD. What's the formula I can put in here to get that?
Okay, to convert AUD to USD, you'll need to multiply the AUD amount by the current exchange rate. The formula you could use in cell B2 is equals A2 exchange underscore rate. You'll need to replace exchange underscore rate with the actual exchange rate between the Australian dollar and the US dollar.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Let's move on.
Welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, so can you see my screen again now?
Yes, I can see your screen. It appears to be the YouTube channel page for the AI Impact Agency.
Yeah, so can you see the tagline here highlighted?
Yes, I can see the tagline highlighted. It says, 2 brothers in tech sharing AI updates to transform your work, role, and life.
Awesome. Can you help me add a call to action there? And on one of our missions is to teach 100,000 people the basics of AI. So maybe you can use that in your response.
Okay, a good call to action could be, join us on our mission to teach 100,000 people the basics of AI. Subscribe now to learn more.
Awesome. Can you give me another variation, please?
Sure, here's another option. Ready to explore the world of AI? Join our community and help us reach 100,000 people. Subscribe today.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, I've changed the screen again. So can you see the highlighted section on this new page?
Yes, I can see your screen. The highlighted section says, unlock your creativity and turn any idea into a full-length video. Let your imagination take center stage.
Yeah, so again, I'm looking to change this up a bit, and I want to focus on improving the conversion rate. So I want to update this sentence to be a bit punchier, but also I want a better CTA. So the CTA at the moment is try and video AI. What can I do to improve that, to improve the conversion rates?
Okay, to make the sentence punchier and improve the CTA, you could try something like, transform your ideas into stunning full-length videos now. Start creating with InVideo AI. This uses stronger action verbs and clearly tells the user what to do.
And what about the call to action?
For the call to action, instead of try InVideo AI, you could use something more compelling like start your free trial now or create your first video today. These are more specific and encourage immediate action.
Great, thank you. And that's just some simple use cases from Google's AI Studio. It's really cool, I'm sure you'll agree. The future of AI is here and it's multimodal. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. We have lots more demos and tips on AI coming up. See you on the next one.